There's another one up top. Too.
Is there?
Yeah, you see it. I think it's a hen.
Is there more up near the past the white fence? Let's kill him Friday morning with the bow.
That'd be sick. Honestly, I think I could see his spurs too.
Seriously?
Look.
You can see them, they're big. Dude, that's a good bird.
Yeah.
We talked, that's a big. Our hide is, you can almost see it from here. It's gonna be fun.
We sitting in this middle wood line or up top?
No, up top.
Nice.
Looking down with that well, you can't even see.
Well, that's exciting.
Yeah, it should be sweet.
Hopefully it's so much bigger than like birds a few other places. Even though there's birds in other places that way more there, they look big.
Really? Birds are close.
Maybe it's because they're in like smaller fields.
Alright, I'm just gonna check these ones, Jay. We'll swing back by them.
See that one hen's like cinnamon color?
Yeah. Oh, another one right here. It's bad limbs.
Oh, yeah. That's the other one from today. See his beard, how curly. Oh wow, that's a serious spur.
Really?
On that left side, look at that thing.
They like the spike spurs, though, the Hampshire spike spurs.
Fat.
That deer, he's hurt. Tell by his head.
They must have just fought. There's a hen right here.
Ah, wah, 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 wah. Ah, la, 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 la.
Yeah, they're right above each other. Huh?
We could set up right here facing the timber.
Want to do a little interview?
Well, we just came to roost the birds at the hardwood ridge that they've been at. They're all the way to the top of the hill on this horse farm, which you can hunt, but I just wish they were down in the timber. And we watched them fly up though. They're on the edge of the pasture. You just flapped around up in that pine. Yeah. But there's two longbeards here, and then there's two that just crossed the road, and they're probably not gonna be far, so. All right, I'm gonna try to, well, those birds are already gobbling. We can pretty much see them in the tree right there, but there was two of the longbeards across the road here. Went to the separate piece of property. I'm gonna see if I can get them to gobble too. And we're just gonna sit up in between them. Could be a little close to the road and a little close to the horse farm, but we're fine. We just like to be deep in the timber, and this is not where we're gonna be tomorrow, but we'll be all right. They're not far right there. We're gonna kill a turkey in the morning.
Do it again.
Let's get to bed.
I want to do it again. Let's go. One more time.
There's 3 birds back there. Let's go. I'm kind of excited.
roosted a couple birds last night on this pasture here. There was actually 2 birds on this pasture, and then 3 across the street behind us. The 2 flew down and decided to go the other way. We still got a couple birds that are across the street behind us that we think are going to come this way. So we're going to hang tight and see how things play out. That was awesome. Good job, Cody. Opening morning here in New Hampshire. Our first setup off the roost didn't work out. The birds flew down. There's something about our decoy setup that they didn't like. We knew that there was 3 other birds across the street last night, and just what we thought was going to happen, we said we'd just sit here and hang tight and hope that they come across. Next thing you know, we could hear them walking. We actually heard a gobble behind us. We heard something walking over here to our right. We thought it was a squirrel by the way that sounded, but I guess it was just all 3 of them walking fast. Bert was behind the camera, so I'm coming out in the field. It's like, don't move. Next thing you know, look out of the corner of my eye, here comes all 3 of them just charging into the decoy. There's still birds that are gobbling here behind us, so I'm going to go down here, get my bird, pick up the decoys. Yeah, Cody's got a tag, and then we'll see if we can get Cody a bird. That's a good job. Good job, dude.
That was cool.
Broke off to the left, but maybe I don't remember, to tell you the truth. I was just waiting for the one that was broke off. I didn't really care which one it was.
No, I didn't.
So well, that was a good hunt this morning, very successful. We're on to the next one. in that cut.
Are you sure? I thought it was.
There's two of us. It's over here in this cut.
Yeah, it's hammering again. He just hammered again. All right.
He's on that cut.
Yeah, they were running.
Alright, all of them crawl up there, just hold on.
We just struck a bird on the other side of this knot. We're gonna try to set up on the edge of it and try to call him up over it. Let's go to the right. I think I got him.
I think you did too.
Let's go see. That was pretty sweet. He was through a lot of brush for a while. Like he walked out just a little bit further. He was through a little bit of brush, but he said if you can get him there, get him. So.
Well, that's what it's like in the timber.
Yeah.
The mountains. Look at. I don't know if you guys can see, but this right here. There's mountains in the background. We were up high. We're up on this top, probably about 1,800 feet or so. So anyway, let's go check them out.
Okay.
Here, Bill, huh?
Yeah. I'd say so. Won't quite hang, will it? No. I was hoping, but it wasn't. Shaking too much, put the zip tie on. Years length.
Well, that's
8.5.
That's not fair.
Going 22 and a half on that
Whoa.
one. Yeah.
Is that big?
I don't think he's that big.
22 and a half and 17 and a half.
21 and a half.
Oh,
Whoa.
Alright.
so we tie?
Yeah. Unfortunately.
I'll deal with that.
I don't like it, but
20 pounds.
really.
Really?
Well, we're gonna get ready for tomorrow. Tonight we're gonna go roost a couple birds for Brett. We know exactly where they're at, and we should be able to slip in there in the morning and hopefully get a boat kill.